Hello dear students, welcome back. This question is from GATE 2015 exam. It is for 2 marks. They have given you this code and you need to determine its output. So let us start executing it from the first line of main function. First line of main function is trying to declare an array that is named A and it is an integer array. So all of the elements of this array will be integers. These are the values that are used to initialize this array. So let us draw this array A. So suppose this is the array A. So the values that are saved in this array are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. That means these values. Now I am assuming that starting address of this array is 70. I have taken any random address. It can be anything. And also I am assuming that one integer occupies 4 bytes. So if first element is present on address number 70, obviously second element will be present on 74. Then next element will be on 78 and so on. And one more thing that I want to point out is A is the array name. See, this is array A. So array name always represents the base address of array or address of first element of array. That means A contains address of 10, which is 70. Okay, 70 is also the base address of this entire array. So this is kind of a pointer to beginning of array. Okay, it is not exactly a pointer. We have seen the differences between array name and a pointer, but it is very similar. Okay, anyways, now let us see what is happening in next line. Before that, let me point out that this keyword static will not have much effect here because this entire code is written inside main function only and main function is called only once. Now because we are not making any repeated calls to this function, hence this keyword static can be ignored. Okay. Now let us move on to this line. Here, what is P? The question is P a array or is P a pointer? To determine this, you need to know the precedence of operators in C language. If you have a look at that precedence table, you will see that square brackets are present in the topmost row. Hence, square brackets have highest precedence. That means P will be first linked to square brackets. See, this is the declaration. Star P square brackets int. So first link P with these square brackets. That means P is an array. Then link these brackets with star. So P is an array. All of the elements in this array are pointers. What kind of pointers? Pointers to some integer type variables. Okay. So array P will contain addresses of integers. Okay. So let me draw that array also. Suppose this is the array P. Now in all of these blocks, what is saved? See, P was an array of pointers. That means here we are going to save addresses. I am assuming that one address is of 4 bytes. Okay, so one address consumes 4 addresses. And I am also assuming that base address of this array is 10. So next element or next address will lie at address number 14. Next one will be at 18 and so on. Okay, this base address is chosen at random. It can be anything. I am assuming it to be 10. Now let us assign these values in respective elements of array. First element of array is A. Here you want to save A. What is A? A is array name and array name always represents the base address of array. That means this A represents 70. So first element inside this is the address 70. So here we are saving 70, which is the address. This means first element of this array P points to this location. Okay. Then what is next element? Next element is A plus 3. If this is A plus 3 means skip 3 integers. 10, 20, 30. They are skipped. Then you will get this address. Okay. And we want to save this address in second element. Okay. So 82 is saved here. Similarly, a plus 4 means 86. 86 is saved here. This one is a plus 1, that is 74. And last element is a plus 2, that is 78. Now see, a is some address. That means a plus 1 will also be an address only. Okay, so these are all addresses. Let us take this example, a plus 4. I want to say that in each of these, you have to solve it according to pointer arithmetic. If a is 70, a plus 4 will not be 74. A plus 4 means a, that is 70, plus 4 into size of int. Okay, this is pointer arithmetic. That means from address A, skip 4 integers. Okay, that is how we get all of these numbers. Now let us come to next line. It says int star star ptr. That means ptr is a pointer to integer. So ptr is a double pointer. Suppose this is ptr. ptr is containing address of a pointer. ptr is pointer to integer. That means ptr will contain address of a pointer which further points to an integer. Okay, and it is initialized with value p. What is p? P is name of this array. That means it represents 10. So 10 is saved in ptr. Okay, see, p means base address of this array, which is 10. So 10 is assigned to ptr. Now let me explain how is this ptr a pointer to pointer. Now see, ptr is double pointer. Hence, it has to contain address of some pointer only. So this memory location, it contains 10. And on this memory location 10, there is address. Hence, you can say this memory location 10 is a pointer. And already we have seen P is array of pointers only. So this memory location is a pointer. Now ptr contains address of a pointer which further points to an integer. This A is array of integers. Hence this location, sorry for that. This A is array of integers. Hence this location is an integer. Okay. And this is array of pointers. So this is a pointer. This pointer points to an integer. And ptr points here. This is what I already told you. ptr is a pointer to integer. Okay. I think we have discussed it in great detail. Now let's move on to next line, which says ptr plus plus. Now you want to increment it. Just don't say that 10 will be incremented to 11. No, follow pointer arithmetic. Incrementing this location means make it point to the next element. Okay, so it already points to a pointer. Make it point to the next pointer. That means next element of this array. If you increment 10, it will become 14. Okay, like this. See, first of all, it contains this value 10, which means it is pointing here. Okay, if you want to increment it, it will start pointing here and the value will become 14. Like this. Okay, now let us execute the last line and you will get your answer. So this will be placed on place of first person d and this will be placed on place of second person d. Let us find what is this. Now you want to subtract ptr from p. ptr points here. ptr is shown with red ink. So suppose this red marker is ptr and p is this black marker. From this you want to subtract this. That means from 14 you want to subtract 10. Please don't say answer is 4. Answer will be 1 because we have to follow pointer arithmetic. So this will result in 1. So on place of this person d, 1 is printed. Okay. See, what kind of address is this? This is an array of pointers. So on address number 14, some pointer is saved. On address number 10 also some pointer is saved. So if from 14 you subtract 10, how many pointers? See, how is 14 minus 10 equal to 1? We have to talk in terms of pointers because in this array, pointers are saved. On this address 10, you have saved some address. I've already assumed addresses of 4 bytes. On this location, that is address number 14, there are also some addresses saved which is of 4 bytes. So 14 minus 10 will give you 4, which is equal to 1 address or 1 pointer. So always talk in terms of pointers if you are working with pointers. In case of this, you are working with integers, then you have to talk in terms of integers. 82 minus 74 will be 2. Okay, it will not be 8, it will be 8 divided by size of an integer. Here, you are saving pointers or addresses. So 14 minus 10 will be 4 divided by size of one address. Size of one address is assumed to be 4 bytes. Hence, it will be 1. So this evaluated to 1 and it has been printed. Now let us see what is this. So star PTR. For solving it, see, we need to solve star PTR. So first solve this part. What is PTR? PTR is 14. What is star PTR? Star means value at address. So value at address 14. What is it? First go to 14. This is address 14. What is the value saved here? It is 82. So this bracket resulted to 82. Then there is star with 82. Star with 82 means go to address number 82 and take the value. Star means value at address operator. So what is value at address 82? First find where is 82. This is 82. The value saved here is 40. So star PTR means 40. Like this. So this is the answer to this question. So this program, it will print 140. They were asking what is the output. Output as 140. Okay.